Hey everyone, and welcome back to our final video of this series. Today's topic is going to be the final feather edge of our repair area. We've applied our body filler, we've applied our glaze, we've done the initial sanding steps on the glaze, and at this point we're ready to do our final sanding and feather edging and re-cleaning, and at that point we're ready to move into priming, all following the 3M standard operating procedures. It's important to remember to wear your proper PPE. You can see today I'm wearing a pair of protective gloves. I have a respirator as well as safety glasses. Another thing to remember is that this video is recommended for the body shop or paint shop. For more safety and warranty information, please see the link below. Now that we've completed our block sanding of the glaze with 180 on the block, we want to move to a grade 180 to 320 on a DA. It's strongly recommended that we use dust extraction once again for this step, using either a net or paper abrasive. When we go to feather edge the surrounding paint, we don't recommend the use of a soft interface pad. We want to make certain to thoroughly refine and feather edge all of the perimeter paint. Again, using dry guide coat. Dry guide coat's your best friend in this step. We want to keep sanding and feather edging that surrounding paint to make certain there's no coarse scratches left in the original paint or the OEM finish. On the actual glaze itself, we recommend using a soft interface pad. And really, we don't want to spend a whole lot of time on the glaze. We're just doing a very light final sand on top of the glaze with an interface pad, again with that 180 to 320. Once we complete our final sanding and our final feather edging, there's a couple more things we need to do before we move into primer. One of those is going to be to blow off the area using clean dry air, or if we're using dust extraction, we can use the Scotch-Brite Clean and Finish disc. And then at that point, we want to thoroughly inspect the repair area. And if everything looks good to go, we want to do a final thorough clean using a VOC compliant solvent-based cleaner. And at that point, we're ready to move into primer. Well, hey guys, that wraps it up for this repair. Hopefully you enjoyed the video series. We've finished blocking our glaze and we're ready to move this into primer. Hopefully you enjoyed this video and the entire series. If you did, please again hit the like button. You can share these videos, you can subscribe, or feel free to comment. You can find more videos like it at the 3M Collision Repair Academy, and the link for that can be found below. Thank you guys.